Hi, Assalamualaikum. This is teacher Adawiyah. Alright, so for science, we are done with a lot of actions that you can do on a material. Okay, like squashing, twisting, pulling, stretching, heating, and cooling. Last time we learned about cooling activities. Okay, some things can be cooled and heated back and forth, some cannot. Okay, so it depends on the properties of the materials. Alright, so this week we're gonna learn page 52 and 53. The subtopic is where did it go? Okay, so what go? Okay, where did the material go? Okay, all right. Some material, when you put it in water, okay, it will be gone. Okay, usually this kind of material, they are in powder. Okay. Alright, so look at these pictures carefully. There are 4 pictures over here. Number 1 is a glass of water. Number 2 is a teaspoon of sugar. Okay, sugar is a material. Remember that sugar is a material. You add the sugar to the water. Number 3, you stir the sugar and the water. Okay, so you stir. And number 4, can you see the sugar in the water now? Cannot. It is gone. So where did it go? Okay, the question is, where did the sugar go? Alright, that is question number 1. Number 2, why can you not see the sugar in the last picture? This one you can see the powdered sugar is still at the bottom, and when you swirl it around, it will follow the direction of the swirl, and suddenly it's gone. It's gone. Okay. Number 3, explain how you can tell that the sugar is still in the water. Alright, now sugar are powder. Okay, sugar are materials that can be heated. When you heat them up, they will melt. Same thing when you put in water, we call the action as dissolve. D-I-S-S-O-L-V-E. D-I-S-S-O-L-V-E. Say it again. D-I-S-S-O-L-V-E. We call it as dissolve. Okay, dissolve means disappear. Dissolve means disappear. Dissolve only happens when you put materials in liquid solutions. For example, here we put in water. Okay, same thing when your mother or father are making tea or coffee or Milo. Okay, they are all in sugar. They are all in powdered condition. Okay, all of these things are powdery. Okay, so when you put them in water, you stir, and it will be gone. So how do you know that the sugar is still in the water? It's not gone like magic. Okay, you have to taste it. That's it. Okay, this water is plain water. You add sugar to it, then the water become sweet. Then you know that the sugar dissolve in the water. Remember the word dissolve. Dissolve. D-I-S-S-O-L-V-E. Alright, okay, so let's read over here. When some solids such as sugar or salt, okay, the solid thing is what I call the powder thing. Powder is solid, okay, are added to water, they seem to disappear or dissolve. We say that they dissolve in the water. When a material dissolves in water, we are left with clear liquid and you cannot see the solid in it. Okay, that is when you mix salt and sugar, because they are crystal when they are still not being stirred in the water. Okay. Number 4, talk about why water that looks clean may not be safe for drinking. This we will talk during Skype tomorrow. Okay, some solids do not dissolve in water. If you add sand to water and stir it, the sand will be dissolved. The sand will not be dissolved. You can still see the sand grains in the water. Alright, so there are a lot of powder, there are a lot of solid that is in small shape, just like sugar crystal and salt crystal, okay? But sand is not dissolvable, cannot be dissolved. If it's dissolved, then the beach is gone, okay? Because there are always seawater that wash away the sand, but it will never dissolve inside the seawater, okay? Alright. So today we learned the word dissolve, okay, and we learn about the word solid, okay, solid that is dissolving a liquid and it become a liquid after that, okay. All right, tomorrow I will show you videos, okay, of how this is explained from a science side. All right, so thank you everybody. I'll see you again. Bye.